Here I am showing you the process of how I implemented the project for custom churn prediction. Firstly, you are seeing all the libraries that have been used in this project, and all the libraries functionalities is written in the comments. Secondly, I have downloaded the dataset directly from Kaggle, the link that was provided to me. After that, I see where I was standing at the directory. After accessing the directory, I put my CSV file in that directory, and I printed the data that was given to me. So then I show the top 10 rows that were available. Then I show the counting of data, which how many customers have exited and how many has not exited in this bar graph. Then I see all the data describing the data set. That means the shape of the data set. That means the rows and the columns. Most importantly, the rows have all the data, but the columns, that is the features. I have to see what were the most important features that we will be using. Therefore, I am using every column that is important for the features, but I am excluding the row number, customer ID, and surname as they are the identifiers. Then I am checking if there are any null values in the data set. As you can see, there isn't any, so pre-processing will not be done in this data set to fill out the values. If there were, I will be filling out the values with mean, but there isn't any null values. Next, I printed the feature map of the by using the SNS heat map. This is the thing I learned from YouTube, as how I can print the given data set that I have chosen about the independent variables. Then I have splitted the data into dependent and independent variables, where I know that I have to find exit, as we have to predict the exit 1 or 0. So I have printed exited in y and x in the independent data set, and y independent, because y is dependent on all the other features which we have been separated from our data set. Here I am showing you and printing x and y values. Then I am, as you know, there are only CSV file. There is no train and test data available separately. So I split the data, and I apply standard scalar on it and print that x train values. Then according to the given requirements, I have to apply any of the three models. So after searching and watching YouTube videos, I am capable of applying all the three models, as I want to learn about how each models work theoretically. And because these are all built into Colab, into the libraries of Python, and can easily run on Colab, so I am using it directly to calculate the accuracy of the dataset that I have been provided with. Therefore, I am also using confusion matrix. If you don't know about confusion matrix, it is the easiest introductory concept of TP, true positive, true negative, and false negative and false positive. This is the some explanation I have written. If you can read it, it predicts how much is the answer is correct, how much is the wrong answer is correct, and vice versa. I have implemented the logistic regression model. This is the simple one which you can understand. The second I implemented is the gradient boost model. This is I search from Stack Overflow and understand it. And this is also I have understand it about the three models of how they are different. But as you know, the data set is very consists of like 3000 values approximately. Therefore, when I compare the three models, you can see there is not that much difference. But here we can see for this data set, random forest model is the most best performing model. Thank you for listening to me.